Abelia, and we are the Education Specialists. Today, we will share how to turn multi-grade challenges into learning opportunities.
The first strategy in multi-grade settings is classroom management strategy. There are three vital roles in this strategy. First is to create a positive learning environment. Second, promote student engagement. And the third one is to support effective teaching. To support diverse learners, we ought to make sure set clear rules and procedures that are in effect throughout the school grade levels. For instance, visual schedules for younger students and written assignment lists to older students. We also use differentiated instruction, providing challenging learners with extension activities and taking younger or struggling students through step-by-step instructions. Positive reinforcement, such as praise and reward systems, will promote good behavior and participation. The next one is the collaborative learning activities. There are three vital roles in collaborative learning. First is to enhances communication, second promotes peer support, and the third one develops problem solving skills. There are two activities can apply in collaborative learning. First is the peer tutoring circle. Older students help younger ones in reading or math, which builds learning and responsibility. Next is the group project challenge. Mixed age groups make a poster or model using local materials. Each student contributes based on their strengths. Some can draw, present, build, or write. In planning collaborative activities, we should use the VARC learning styles. V for visual learners, A for auditory learners, R for reading or writing learners, and K for the kinesthetic learners.
Resource Utilization Plan. In low-resource multi-grade schools, resourcefulness is the key. I shall employ local and recycled materials such as utilizing stones, sticks, and bottle tops as mat counters, or torn newspaper for reading practice. Natural materials such as leaves, soil, or water samples can be used for science. This is not just cost effective, but also links the students with their local community. Assessment plan. To assess learning, I will use alternative methods beyond tests. Students can keep portfolios of their work, do performance tasks like presentations or role playing, and take part in peer and self-assessments. This way, I can monitor both individual and group progress while respecting their different abilities.
Social dynamics management is crucial to prevent younger students from feeling excluded or older students taking charge. I will provide rotating rules during group work, including leader, recorder, presenter, or materials keeper. I will also encourage buddy systems where students help each other out and build a positive, supportive environment.
Overall, to be able to achieve those strategies for collaborative learning and classroom management and multi-grade settings, an educator in a multi-grade classrooms can be managed with clear rules and routines. Collaborative learning builds teamwork and problem-solving skills.
The VARC model helps teachers recognize that learners absorb information in different ways through visual, auditory, reading or writing, or kinesthetic preferences. By addressing these styles, educators can design varied activities, making lessons more inclusive, engaging, and effective for all students.
Alternative assessments show both individual and group progress. Positive social interaction create an inclusive learning environment.